Hey everybody, welcome back. We got our 550 cord. Alright, so today, let's just say, going back to our scenario, we've set up a camp. We have our boat tied off using our clove hitch. And then, we have our ridge line set up. And now we have like some stuff that we want to just hang up. It's like, say to dry off. Say we want to hang up our axe or whatever. We just want to hang stuff up. Well, here's a nice little knot you can use. So basically you make a loop. You make a loop in your cord. And then what you do is you're going to spin this loop. So now you have two loops. I've actually done this a few times, so alright, so we spin it, so now we have two loops. So it kind of looks like a figure 8 almost. Now we're going to bring this down over the original cross, and we want to bring it up through both loops. So we bring it up through both loops. Then we tie it off. Now, basically, this is what it's going to look like. Now, this is an extremely sturdy loop. And it's a fixed loop. And you can do this in a safety line or a tether. So now basically, alright, so we got something else. Come down here a little ways. Make a loop in our line. Right, so we make our loop in the line. Now we make a secondary loop, so we have a figure 8. We bring it underneath. And then we're going to bring it up through both loops. Now we have two. So we can hang stuff from both of those, whether we need them to dry or just to keep them up out of the way. And then you can just tie this off between two poles, and you actually have just loops. And then you can hang stuff through there. Hook your bag up there. Hook up your food so you can keep it off the ground. Now this is called the Alpine butterfly knot. And of course, kind of the reason behind that is, if you think about it, when you originally tied this knot, alright, we'll get this untied real fast. So you made your first loop, right? Then you make your second loop. Well, when you fold this, kind of straighten it out. There we go. When you fold this down on itself, right? It's almost going to start looking like butterfly wings. So that's why it's called the Alpine butterfly loop. And again, this is a really sturdy loop. It's fixed. It's not going to slip. It's not going to change size. It's not going to slip. It's extremely sturdy. You can attach stuff to this. Let's see here. Oh, so you could hang water bottles from it. You know, there's a lot of different. This one doesn't have much of a lip. Some water bottles have like that lip there, that ledge, but it's a very good knot, and it works well with all the other knots that we've done, because this will actually allow you to secure your gear off the ground so it does not get wet. So yeah, there we go. The Alpine butterfly knot. If this is your first time to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe. And then when you do subscribe, down there where you have your bell notification, hit all. That way you'll get notified every time I put up a video. There you go. Alpine butterfly knot.